Around everybody, we talk about Ansys, Ansys as company and Ansys as products. So, first of all, I recommend to you to watch this video. Here you can find the link, and this video explains the main values of Ansys companies that provide Ansys company in our life in our world. It's an official video from Ansys. It's called Engineering Quad Ahead. So after that we will talk about some industries and Ansys with their company and their product can be helpful in any industries. For example, in aerospace, in automotive, like drag coefficient of exterior, like air condition in interior, like structure strengths, like battery life, like engine combustion, like thermal, different tasks like safety, in-crash test, software for autonomous driving, and so on. There are a lot of tasks for defense industry, like bullet penetration, like explosion, like radio control, and so on. A lot of different tasks and problems can be solved with Ansys product for solving and improving situation with environmental pollution and control for this pollution and changing values. A lot of application where product can be helpful in any kind of industries. For example, we can use Ansys product for developing antenna design and the different wireless object for creating sensor for autonomous driving car and so on, for creating software, for testing the software, for testing whole system, for flight controls, for simulation different tasks of battery and battery life. For example, it can be about thermal and thermal stress, about battery swelling, about a lot of different other types for creating battery. Battery life, for example, reliability, and so on. We also can use Ansys product for creating design of better electric motors with different types, and it's problem from strengths, from thermal, from electric and electromagnetic field. It's a problem from NVH, noise, vibration, and harness control, acoustic, and so on. We can use Ansys product for understanding how electronic device working. Does it reliable or not? We can use to check any electromagnetic devices. We can use for creating different simulation for gas industry, for creating gas turbines. It can be internal fluid dynamics, it can be injection, it can be combustion, it can be strength, it can be fatigue, a lot of different tasks. We can do simulation not for fluid with low speed velocity, but for hypersonic object and hypersonic fluid flows. we can analyze very detailed of PCB and integral chips. We can do system analysis for power electronics, and not only system analysis. We can solve a lot of different type of tasks for rotating machine. We can do a lot of different type of optimization, even structure and topology optimization. If we need to do a thermal analysis for any kind of tasks, for any kind of product, it also can be done, and we can use all powers of Ansys engineering software for creating better world with green energy, like creating a wind turbine and so on. There are a lot of other application in healthcare, in different type of fluid mixing, in analyzing vehicles, in solving some special problems for creating, for example, numerical mesh, better mesh for better solving different type of tasks. So most of these tasks, most of application can be used with product which called Ansys Workbench and Ansys Mechanical. So I recommend to watch this video. Here you can find the link, and it shows different type of analysis. It shows result of this analysis, so you can have better understanding what our Ansys product look like now. And we will talk about product later. Now we talk sometime about Ansys as company. We give understanding what type of industry it can be helpful, what kind of application. We will talk about product later. So now we must to talk about Ansys as a company. It was created in 1969. First name was Swenson Analysis System, because the main person called John Swenson. In 1960 it was registered in Pennsylvania, Canonsburg in USA. During 20 years company grows, and it was very small company, but it grows, and it have about 30 million income, about 1,500 of employees, and take 10% of market. That help SASE to be bought and rename it to Ansys. Also, it helped to entry to Nasdaq Stock Exchange. This step helped to increase income growth. From 1996 it started to increase about 150-160% per year. For now, Ansys is a company which can be found in index Nasdaq index top 100. They have their capitalization about 20 billions and more. They have income about 2 billions. Current number of employees more than 5,000. They work in more than 50 offices in USA and 70 offices worldwide. Also, Ansys have a lot of solution partners, like hardware partners, like software partners, and almost 90 channel partners which can sell the Ansys product to you. Current CEO of Ansys Company is AJ Gopal. Here you can see all top managers from Ansys Company. Most of them has a profile on LinkedIn, so you can follow them. Also, we need to say that Ansys is a very big company and it's international company, but almost half of income, almost half of money give to Ansys United States, and all other world is the other half. Increasing of money and income also can be divided into two parts. Half of them is from selling new software licenses and half from giving maintenance and service. On a chart you can see the place of Ansys Company with some other PLM companies. And also you can know that most of Ansys employers are say that Ansys is a very good company. They are very satisfied to work in this company. Almost 70% is technology specialist from Ansys. They have average salary about $85,000. There are some specialists that have bigger average salary. It's marketing and PR, but marketing is always have more money. So if you are engineer or if you are a good specialist and you want to work in best company, Ansys can be very interesting to you because of their values, because of their culture, and so on. Here you can see the office in the United States. Here you can see the different offices around the world, and we can also see as a list of acquirers during the last 20 years, and the most biggest acquirers is Ansys Corporation in 1908 with 800 of millions, more than 800. Also we can find LSTC, it's almost 800 of millions. It was in 1919. In 1990 was bought Analytical Graphic Incorporated with 700 of millions. And some acquirers doesn't have information on the web, so we can say how big was the price to obtaining this product into the list of product for Ansys Company. But all those companies are very good and very perspective and best from the market. You can find a lot of different partners. As we say previously, it's almost 90 channel partners in different countries where you can both Ansys. I'm from Ukraine, so we have two different channel partners, CAD-FEM Ukraine and Soft Engineering Group. You can find a lot of partners, a lot of resources on side of channel partners and Ansys, directly on Ansys. And if you have maintenance, you can find a lot of very interesting and very helpful things on Ansys side, because a lot of them can be found only if you have maintenance. And product collection and product list. That's not a product list. That's a list of product collection. So we have a product which can solve different type of works. For example, with 3D design, with structures, with materials, with photonics, with additive manufacturing, with electronics, safety analysis, with acoustic simulation, with optics, with digital twins, and so on. All this point from this list, it's not one product, it's several product, and every product can solve a lot of different types of tasks. And those tasks can be from very simplest tasks to very, very complex. This is the list of all this product. It's almost 80 or 90 product. You can find some names that you know. For example, a lot of people know Ansys Mechanical, here Ansys LS-DYNA. Some people use Ansys Maxwell. Some people use such thing as Ansys CFX or Ansys Fluent. Some people use Ansys Discovery and SpaceClaim in most cases. So this is very big number of software, as you see, and any point from this list, as I said previously, solve a lot of different tasks, and Ansys Workbench unites almost all this product into one solution, and you can use different software for creating investigation of your designs for different type of tasks. So choose your partner from Ansys side and help for your business for creating your product. Bye.